Good morning. This is a 2017 Road King. This is a Milwaukee 8. I just did plugs, new battery, and I don't like the way it starts. So now let's go check out the intake. I know it's dirty. The plugs look dirty. Let's go see what we got. What I want to do is check the air cleaner and the intake. All right, be careful. All right, that's that. Put this aside. All right, we just put the cover aside. Now let's see what this air filter and intake looks like. I do believe it'll be dirty, oily. The plugs, oh, they're short. The plugs looked horrible. Okay. Oh. You see the oil. Let me put this aside. We gotta clean that a little bit. As you can see, this is filthy. I mean, here's my finger. That's how much oil is getting sucked into the system, causing all sorts of havoc. Usually that oil is too much motor oil. There's too much in the motor. We will be doing an oil change and all that good stuff, but right for now, I want to just clean it up and start her up right now and see how she runs and starts without the filter on there. And then I'm going to clean this intake. Let's see what we got. All right. I'm hoping it starts up easier. All right, let's clean that intake a little bit. This Berryman B12 carburetor choke throttle body cleaner. Great stuff. All right, let's start it up one more time. definitely a smooth running, but the start, I would like it to start instantly. But like I said, this was set up with a pipe and a stage 1 kit from Harley. I expect a little better. I'm gonna clean the filter, put it back together, and do an oil change, tires, and have my friend just ride it for a little bit, and then we'll go. And I think it was overfilled with oil. These 17s, Milwaukee 8s, are known for something. I don't know, but that was a lot of oil. I'm gonna clean the breather, put it all back together, and give it another test start. All right, I cleaned the air filter. I checked the oil. That's at the right measurement. I'm gonna be doing an oil change. I just believe this bike sat, but those plugs looked bad. The air filter was pretty dirty, but it's a K&N, so I cleaned it, put everything back together. Let's see how it starts now. I think it's gonna get better and better. This bike needs to be driven. All right, fuel pump, neutral. And those intakes, they get dirty. You need to look at them. It chokes your motorcycle. I don't care what motorcycle it is. It's just a basic maintenance issue that I notice gets overlooked. And see what we got. We did the plugs. I cleaned the filter. We changed the battery and put tires on her. Let's see what it does. All right, ignition's on. Let's make sure she's in neutral. Neutral. And start. I love it. If you have any questions, please ask. And if you could, thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ride safe and have a great day.